I'm a boss chick, yeah. I'm a boss lady, yeah. I be calling shots, yeah. I be getting money.
Hello, my elegant beauties. It is your host, Nubia, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel. All of the nail polish you see all came from the Dollar Tree, and the nail hardener and the top coat came from Walmart. So in the end, everything you see is a steal. Also, all of the products that you see as far as the foil, the tools that we'll be using will all be in the note box below, so please stop there to collect your gems. Okay, so starting off, as you can see, I've already filed and shaped my nails to my satisfaction. Now, you guys, this product is pure gold. When I tell you my nails has never been this long and strong, please, if you are looking to grow your natural nails, get this product today. I am now applying my first coat of nail strengthener on top of my nail bed. I chose this color of red because I wanted to make a bold and classy statement, and so I thought this color red was perfect for me. This birthday is all about me stepping out of my comfort zone, so here I go. This part in the process is my absolute favorite part. You are totally free to use whatever colors you want, and you have the freedom to place the colors anywhere you want. So don't worry about this part looking so clean and neat. Just have fun and be playful. So right here, I am using my nail pointer, if that's what you call it, to make my swirlies. If you don't have this, do not worry, don't panic. You can use a bobby pin or even a toothpick. Again, as a gentle reminder, this part does not have to be perfect. Imperfection is art. So please keep that in mind.
Overnight, you out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat.
I absolutely love this quick dry nail polish. It's a great alternative if you do not have the spray. I typically use 2 coats for extra shine. Also, the best part for me is by the time I'm done with both hands, my nails are dry. Yes, there's no dry time. Cleanup time. So now I'm just taking a mini nail brush to clean around my nails. Don't worry, if you don't have this instrument, you can use a Q-tip as an alternative. Also, I am going to encourage you to take your time. There is absolutely no need to rush. Enjoy this process, and also take a small moment to appreciate this beautiful masterpiece you created.
Tell you, girl.
scrub is the guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. And no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time. And no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
And so we have finally reached the end. This is the final look. I am beyond excited and happy on how my nails turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment box. Give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.